What's the meaning of biochemist? Biochemist. Biochemist.
Biochemist. Biochemist. A biochemist is a scientist who studies the chemical processes and substances within living organisms. They use their knowledge of chemistry and biology to understand how molecules and chemical reactions contribute to life and health. Biochemists often work in research laboratories, developing new drugs, studying diseases, and investigating the basic properties of biological molecules. They use a wide range of advanced techniques, including chromatography, electrophoresis, and mass spectrometry, to analyze and manipulate biological molecules at the molecular level. Biochemistry is a rapidly evolving field with many applications in medicine, agriculture, and biotechnology, and skilled biochemists are in high demand around the world.